this is a premium vehicle, right? I wanted a top quality product for real Australian tracks. And Outback Armour just stood out, not just for the strength, but so many people have told me it's great in their vehicles, and I wanted a bit of that.
Ready to go.
Mate, thank you so much. I can't wait to see it, man.
Getting this vehicle was a massive decision, but I don't drive it to impress. I drive it to give my family something better. A four-wheel drive gives us freedom, it gives us space, and we can take everything we need. And now with Outback Armour, I've got every confidence on the road, sand and dirt that we'll get where we're going. And we'll get back with no problems. It's like their tagline, never go alone.